From the outside, it's all classic 19th century charm. But step a little closer and things really start to shift. There's a modern addition tucked behind that historic facade. I can't wait to see how old and new come together without stepping on each other's toes. Hi, Alex.
Hiya, Robin.
Thank you so much for having me.
You're welcome. Welcome to the Hamptons.
Oh my goodness, now, this is true classic Hamptons Victorium, am I right?
Technically, it's French Second Empire. You can tell from the mansard roofs, you can see from the dormers, all of the ornament, and also the porch out front.
How did you end up with this project?
Well, the owner came to us who wanted to adapt it. It had been a boarding house for decades. It was really run down.
So this is a true renovation project.
It is a renovation, but it's more than that. It's actually adaptive reuse. So we're taking new life and breathing it into an old structure. So we're putting HVAC in, we're putting plumbing, we're putting electrical into it, and then all the modern amenities that a modern hotel would require. So it's not just a technical challenge, it's also the art of putting two different building types together. In order to make those two things coexist, we created an internal corridor, which is recessed on the outside, that allows the two to work together.
Oh, I can't wait to see that. Oh, it's so intimate, elegant. And the staircase, this is a piece of history. This is original, isn't it?
The stairs are a really nice surprise. So these were the original stairs from the house back in the 1880s. You can see in the craftsmanship between the banister, the newel post, the handrails, these were all hand turned. We kept these as an ornamental element looking back towards the original. So we did install 2 new stairs to meet fire department requirements, life safety requirements. And Kelly Builders did an amazing job. One of the interesting facts is Kelly lifted the building 10 feet in the air so that all the workmen could get underneath and put all the new foundations below, and then rested it back on its original foundation.
Oh, I would have loved to have seen that happening.
We believe these original buildings have a soul. So while we're breathing new life into the building, we're retaining its original soul.
Beautiful lounge you have here, Mary.
Well, thank you, Robin. We really tried to make a space that was like comforting and inviting, but yet still pay homage to the history.
How did you choose what eras to kind of tap into?
Not easily. There's 140 years of history. So in the entry and in the lobby and in the bar, we really wanted it to be modern, but pay homage to the decade. So we really try to hone in into that 50s, 60s, 70s retro vibe, but still very modern at the same time.
Yeah, I got that vibe. And it also has like a real sexiness to it.
We did it through the beautiful custom furniture by naturalists. You could see the warm woods, the colors, the sleek edges. And people, at the end of the day, guests, they really want a space that they feel intimate in, but they also can just hang out and be comfortable in.
This is the space that Alex was talking about that transports you from the new building to the old building.
Oh, so we're really like going forward and backward in time?
Yeah, sure. Here I am, I'm in the old building, and there I am in the new building. So
That's fantastic.
yes, it's really great. Architecturally, this was needed, so this serves a very important purpose.
And how did the interior design help you blend the two different spaces?
Well, take a look around. We've got the same wall covering, we've got the same woodworking, and we use the Provenza floors. They have a vintage quality, but at the same time, they've got that Hamptons driftwood feel as well. What I love about this space is the intimacy that it creates. At the same time, it is small, it is mighty, and I have to say, it's one of my favorite spaces.
Well, this is certainly spectacular, Beth.
It should be. It's the penthouse with its 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, the wraparound balcony that overlooks the property and the pool. This was designed for the VIP guest or someone that wants to feel like a VIP. This is the crowning jewel. But let's take a look at how we juxtapose the stone with the textural rug, the sumptuous velvet sofa that you just want to plop down on, and then the amazing modern leather chaise. This all comes together to form that comfortable but wow feel.
Now, are all the spaces the same?
They've got a similar feel, but they're all unique. So they each have their own unique experience, particularly on the vintage side. But that was a wonderful challenge because the rooms turned out beautiful. From the modern side to the vintage side, all of the rooms speak the same language, but they're all unique, and that resonates throughout the property.
Well, ladies, this pool is spectacular. I'm gonna guess not from the 1880s.
You think so? This was a big undertaking. We had to gut it. We had to put in new landscaping, all these beautiful pavers, even down to the teak furniture gives it that Hampton oasis.
And what's an oasis without a bar?
I'm with you, Mary.
In my opinion, anyway. But we really tried to bring the interiors out, and we did the outdoor bar and patio and dining so that the guests really have different unique spaces that they can really just hang.
Yeah, it's got such great flow to it, just from outdoor to indoor and throughout the spaces.
The outdoor flow was not an easy task. Taking a Victorian building, which we reclad, put in new windows, put in new doors.
I really feel that distinction. You know, it has the consistency and the continuum, but each space has its own distinct quality.
That's what gives this boutique hotel, 7 Beach Lane, its special nature and its quintessential Hamptons feeling while we pay homage to a 140-year-old structure.
It's rare to find a place that honors its past while leaning into the future with such style. From the custom furniture to the modern pool to all those clever little design elements throughout, this hotel isn't just a renovation, it's a conversation between centuries. And somehow, it all just flows.